welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. I've been gone for a while. I just needed time off, and you guys know when I need time off I take my time, and I'm back with a protective style. I just decided to do something different. At least this was actually my Valentine's hair. I just wanted to look cute for Valentine, just to do something different. So I decided to do the butterfly locks, the famous butterfly locks. These have been going around, all over the internet for the longest time. I decided to try them out, and I think they came out really cute. So I will be using these deep twist hair, as well as your parting comb, and of course a leave-in conditioner. As you guys saw earlier, I will be using the Cantu leave-in conditioner. So my hair is already sectioned into 4 parts because it's just easier to work through like that, and I'm gonna go ahead and section that part into little parts. I believe I didn't count it honestly, but you guys will see what I did here. I just go ahead and section that bit into 4 sections, and then go ahead and like do little tiny sections, for the individual locks. But yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys go ahead and watch this because it is quite self-explanatory. I mean, there are loads of tutorials on YouTube, so if you wanted to actually learn how to do these, it'd be best for you to watch another video maybe, but this is just how I did it. This was my first attempt, and like I said, I thought it came out really cute. It actually took me 3 days 3 days, in the sense that it took me like at the end of the day, like a work day, I would do like 2 or 3 hours in the evening, and then the next day, it took me 3 days because of that. But I just took my time with it because I couldn't be bothered. We're in lockdown anyway, I'm not going anywhere. So but yeah, as you guys can see, I literally section that into 4 parts, and then I go ahead and braid like that into individual sections, as you will see in the next frame. So just a little explanation of what I did. So I took 2 strands of the braiding hair, and then you want to go ahead and kind of unravel it. I didn't like using it as like curly and tightly coiled like it was. So you want to like unravel it and like loosen it up a bit, and then you want to go ahead and crochet that into your strand, like your braided strand. As you can clearly see me do here. So what you want to do now is go ahead and braid that up. You don't want to braid it all the way, not even halfway. You just want to braid it just enough to stay in place. Now you want to go ahead and separate the strand of hair into 2 parts, or into 2 strands, and then you want to go ahead and use 1 strand to wrap around the other strand, of course including your hair. That is to get the lock effect. To get the butterfly effect, however, what you want to do is, while you wrap, say every inch or every half inch, depending on your preference, you want to go ahead and use your thumb, in this case your finger, your thumb, to separate the hair you're using to wrap into 2, and then hold 1 part in place, and then go ahead and wrap around it until you actually until it creates that butterfly effect. I'm not sure how to actually explain this, but you can clearly see what I did there with my thumb. And you want to go ahead and wrap that, and then let that be, and then you get the butterfly effect. Again, you probably understand this better by just watching me, so I'm going to go ahead and do more locks so that you guys get the effect. But my advice, or my understanding after doing so many of these, is don't try to be perfect with it, don't try to be neat with it. Actually, the messier you are with it, the better it actually turns out, the better it actually looks. When I started, I was trying to be really neat with the locks, like with the wrapping, and trying to wrap in place. I wasn't just feeling it. And then as I go, I just decided to start doing, like, being messy with it and just not even caring how I did them. So like I said, when you're doing the butterfly effect, you can do this as close as you want, as far as you want, as you know, it just depends on you, whatever you want. And if you look around my locks, actually they are not even all the same. Like, I was just, like I said, being messy with it, and that the more messy I get with it, the more I started feeling it, the more I was like, okay, this is actually what I was going for. So that's for that. When it comes to the bob effect, as you can see, I still have a little bit of hair left. So what do you do with that? I go ahead and twist that, and then you want to go ahead and lock that in place by, you know, making a loop. As you can see me do, look at that, I'm trying to make a loop with that, and then you want to go ahead and keep wrapping, but this time towards the top. You want to wrap it up until you don't have any hair left. So that's basically it. Again, I'm not sure if I actually explained that, you know, correctly or well enough, but it's probably best for you guys to actually watch me do it than me trying to explain how to do it. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys, you know, watch me do a few more locks, and then I'll be back with the rest of the video. So this is the end result. I thought I did a great job. I thought it came out really cute for, being my first attempt. I really loved it, and I've been rocking this for the past, 2 weeks now. I'm gonna probably be in for, I don't know, 4 weeks or whatever. If I feel bored, and I'll take it out. But yeah, guys, what do you guys think? What do you guys? How do you guys think I did? Like I said, everybody does this differently. This is just my method. This is just what I did. This is just what worked for me. Yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and all of that good stuff. And I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah.